Hey there, fellow viewer. I'm Bog of All Trades, and you're watching the Weekly Bunker, a show where I demonstrate to you guys how we build this beautiful bunker over here. Last week, what we did was make door formwork. Just like this, we made 3 frames. And what we're going to be doing this week is actually installing them. We're going to lower them with this beautiful Massey Ferguson 50B, and after that we're going to install them. But before we do that, we still have some final preparations to do before installing any formwork. Let's get going. Bog of all trades. I do everything and more. The first thing that has to be done is a leveling of the edges. We did this using a laser level and an angle grinder with a diamond disc for cement or concrete. And this is how it looks. You can see the stones. Obviously it creates a lot of dust and you have a lot of stuff falling down from the walls. So what we did was additionally use a vacuum cleaner to clean the sides. And now let's actually lower the formwork. Let's go. Hey you, are you not subscribed to the channel? Scroll down, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. You'll see more great content, and I'll know what to release for you. Let's get going. What we're going to do now is use a laser level to accurately cut a 100 centimeter opening in the wall rebar, in the zone where we didn't put any vertical rebars for this specific purpose. And then we're going to mount the 90 centimeter formwork into the wall. As you can see, the floor is not straight, which does not permit us to actually install the door. So that's why we're going to use the laser level to level out the floor before installing the formwork. So there we go, guys. 1 door frame is installed, 2 more to go, and you'll see them in the next video. To make sure that video comes soon, be sure to share this video, like it, subscribe to the channel so I can see this content is actually worth it making. We have a lot of other great ideas. In the meantime, after sharing it with all your friends, check out this video over here, where we actually made these door frames. And we'll see each other next time. Ciao!